Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Joe. Welcome to my dining room table, more specifically. I'm really excited today. I have a very hard to get AEW Unrivaled Series 2 to open up. And these things were so hard for me to get a hold of. The ring in the first series, I got, what was it? I think almost a year ago exactly that I pre-ordered them. And I got them in August when they were supposedly supposed to be in Walmart stores starting last August. And I've seen exactly 3 of them. 2 from Series 3 and 1 from Series 1 in the time since August. So 8 months, 9 months, something like that. They're just ridiculously hard to get rid of, to find. They're not hard to get rid of, they're hard to find. And I finally got them on Ringside, at Ringside Collectibles. I think it's wrestlingfigures.com. I don't know if they have any more. Like, if you can find these things, even if you don't have any interest, you can resell them if you want to, because they're hard to get. And we're going to tear open the second series and see what we're dealing with. Who should I start with? Who should I start with? Moxley? Moxley. All right. John Moxley. With that AEW World Heavyweight Championship belt. Let's see the back there. We've got all of them to open up today. A picture of him winning the title. That's nice. All right. I got to open this thing up. I don't remember exactly how to do this, but I remember it being a pain. So give me a second. While I cut gotta cut the tape in the right places without cutting myself in the wrong places. Well, every place would be in the wrong place, I guess, but there he is. Let's get rid of all this. Bye-bye. Let's take a look at Mox. Unscripted violence. Would I have liked some extra hands? Yes. I like having extra hands. I guess I've been spoiled by Mattel the last couple of years. Can you see, got a tattoo there? A sigh on his arm, is that is? I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's got a snarl. Does he always have that scar? Ears are very detailed. It's weird for me to point out, but it's true. Hair looks nice. Mox. There he is. Moxley. Put him next to Kenny. He's nice. The paint's good on him. It's got this, what do they call that? Torso hinge? Torso joint? I don't know. I don't know that much about them. Hey, I just like to buy the ones I like and keep them. I'm not an expert or anything. I guess I could put the belt on a little tighter. Let's get the belt off. The belt's nice. All right, let's open the next one. Who should we open up? MJF. I have decided. There we go. Well, that scarf is nice. It's not just one piece of fabric. It's one bigger piece of fabric that's been sewn together right up here. So it makes it a little bit thicker, a little bit nicer. Fringe is pretty nice. It's got part of his tattoo, part of it's just the elbow joint, hinge, knee pads, MJF on the back, a little bit of plaid there. Is that plaid? Back of his knee pads. The face is, it's okay. It's a lot better once you get him out of the box, I think. Hair's nice. Face is okay. Not bad. Can I get the scarf to stay on? Kinda. You kinda have to tuck it underneath his arms. Maybe over time it'll kind of flatten out or mold itself to his body a little bit more. Because it doesn't want to stay on. It's a little bit better. Not bad. Not a bad figure at all. There were Chase figures too. If you were curious, what are the differences? I'm not sure. There's a Chase Moxley that has the inner circle shirt on that he wore when he faked out Chris Jericho and acted like he was going to join the inner circle. And there's an MJF Chase. And maybe he has the ring on? I'm not sure. But, yeah, it doesn't want to stay on very well. That's kind of frustrating. We're just going to have to tuck it under his arms, weirdly. If I can even do that. You know what? I'm getting frustrated. Dude, do you not want your scarf? Okay. Dustin took out my camera. There we go. There's Dustin. Look at his tattoos. The natural. Texas Longhorns on his boots. Or a Texas Longhorn. And a camera. I guess that's a reference to Gold Dust. Possibly. I don't know. I mean, it's a good looking figure. The articulation's all right. I mean, size looks nice. Looks, you know, I wish I could fix MJF. It's bothering me. There. Tuck him under. Tuck him. There we go. It sort of works. All right, on to Hangman Adam Page with his rope and an extra hand that points and his constipated look. Oh, let's get him out. There we go. The Hangman. How big his feet are. Look how big his feet are. Can you see that? Whoa. Can you all see that? Hangman's feet are considerably bigger than MJF's. I don't know. You take that whatever way you want to, but my goodness. Even Dustin. Does Hangman have big feet? I don't know. His action figure does. All right. Will his arm actually bend? This elbow pad does not... What? The elbow pad does not want to let his arm bend. Isn't that nice? It's little things. You think they'll fix this stuff as they get better at it, right? Just like I'll get better at doing this unboxing crap. Because I'm terrible at it now. I'll eventually get better. Here's Hangman Adam Page, his little vest. A scarf around his neck. Looks nice. Scowl on his face. I had too much cheese last night. All right. What? How's this supposed to go on? Are you serious? Do I have to take his head off? To get... What is happening? I guess I'll put it in his hand. Maybe his hand can pull it down and make it look more natural. Because this... Alright. What? I guess that's better. Well, I have to say, so far, I'm not as impressed as I thought I would be with the scarf, with his rope. Let's move on to the Lucha Bros. Rey Fenix and Pentagon Jr. Take a look at Rey first. Look at that. Not bad looking. I like the tights. The Mexican on the one knee pad. Flames. Black and silver. The tattoo work is nice. Head sculpt is nice. That's a nice mask. The detail on that mask is pretty intricate. Let's get Pentagon out. There we go. Excellent. Zero miedo. What? Miedo. Ooh, I like this. This is right here, right off the bat. This is my favorite from Series 2. Like everything about him I like. Like look at the mask, the details. Look at his eyes. You might not be able to see it very well, but he looks fantastic. The tattoos look great. He's got some pretty big feet too. Maybe not Hangman big, but they're still pretty big. The detail's really great. He just looks fantastic. Yeah, he's my favorite by far. By far. There you go. AEW Series 2. Thank you for watching. Sorry this video is so choppy and weird. I had some issues this morning. I haven't filmed in a while. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the figures. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.